Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn Nigerians to continue to dey promote peace and unity for Naija to respect the ogbonge sacrifices of the fallen heroes. Obaseki yarn this one for the 2023 Armed Forces Remembrance Day wey shele for Benin City on Sunday. Obaseki wey yarn tori pipo say the celebration dey very symbolic and represent sacrifices con still assure say Edo go continue to invest wella for security matter. Obaseki say the present economic situation for Naija get role to play for the high crime rates.
Before we talk about expectations, we should try to understand the symbolism of today. Today we are remembering those who have put their lives on the line in service of this country, to secure this country, to make sure that there's peace and this country remains united. And I think it's important that we use today for reflection. Because it's about sacrifice. People have sacrificed, and it beckons on us to emulate what they have done, what these heroes have done, by also putting ourselves up for sacrifice. It cannot only be about the benefits, what we get from Nigeria. Now we should begin to think more about what we offer our country, because except the thinking evolves in that direction, you will continue to have the level of strife, the level of crisis, the level of insecurity which we have today. Everybody wants to take from Nigeria, but very few want to give back to Nigeria. So for us in Edo, that is the message we are preaching. It shouldn't be about you, it shouldn't be about I, it should be about us. What do we need to do as a society, as a state, as a country to foster growth, peace and harmony? For us in Edo, we continue to invest in our security. We are so glad and thankful to the citizens, particularly, who are volunteering information. They now feel concerned, they now participate in the whole security structure we have in the state today. The security structure rests on the citizens, because if we don't have information, the farmers in the farms who give us information and tell us what is going on in movements, if we don't have people on the streets who trust us and give us information, we will not know what's going on, and we will not be able to combat crime. I must also thank the security services, because it's about collaboration. Nobody is, maintaining their own turf. They're all putting in, what they have into the common fight for securing Edo State. We had the unfortunate incident of the train kidnap, whose victims we finally released most of them yesterday. It was a perfect example of collaboration between all the forces, the police, the army, the director of state security, the civil defense, our vigilante corps, our hunters. Everybody worked together in unison and to make sure that we're able to rescue the victims. And also, we are going to make sure we get the perpetrators of the kidnap, like we're doing with so many of them. So it's not easy. The economic situation in the country is very difficult, and it's putting pressure on individuals and citizens, and some of them are resorting to heinous crimes, and we have to deal with that reality.
As part of the activities to mark the celebration, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Deputy Governor of Edo State Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Chief Judge of Edo State Justice Joe Acha, and heads of security for Edo State constantly present flowers to remember the fallen heroes.
to welcome important dignitaries or to commemorate anniversaries. Traditionally, gun salutes are presented to honor or welcome a foreign president or head of state on a state visit. However, some countries extended its use to cover real birthdays, marking of public holidays, and independence anniversary celebration. Others include Accession Day and State Funeral of the late president. In Nigeria, gun salute is provided during the non-constitutional grounds day celebration, inauguration parade, independence anniversary, and the honor of visiting president.
Governor Obaseki constantly signed the register and performed the symbolic release of pigeon birds which signify peace. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving the politicians on election day.